In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange the regular price and the sale price on the product page in Shopify Horizon theme. For example, let's take a look at this product. As you can see right here, the regular price of $100 is displayed first, followed by the sale price. Let's assume we need to rearrange this so the sale price comes first, followed by the original price. To make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in Shopify dashboard, on the left side of the screen, under Sales Channels, click on the online store. Now look for your current theme, on my case Horizon, and then select Add a Theme. Once the theme editor loads, at the very top, click on drop down and then select Products, Default Product. On the left side of the screen, under Template, expand the Product Information section, then expand Header, and then select Price. On the right side of the screen, under Price Settings, look for this option, Show Sale Price First. Go ahead and enable it, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the product page. And as of now, the sale price should be displayed first, followed by the regular price. So that's all for this video. Hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.